Hey everybody, Aaron Swaney from Flex Machine Tools. What we're going to do in this video here is we're going to show you how easy it is with the 5-step process in the IGEMS CAD CAM to go from your part to having a program ready to run on your FlexJet. So the first step is actually going to be labeled step 0, and what that is we're going to select our machine as well as our cutting parameters, which is our orifice and nozzle tube diameter combination, along with our material type and our material thickness. So we're going to use the IGEMS CNC machine with our 1440 combination. We have a piece of aluminum made out of, that is a 1/4 inch thick, and I'm going to simply hit OK. So we have our part here, which is our DXF that we dropped into the software. The next step that we're going to do is step 1, which is taking our DXF and creating it as a part. So I'm going to click on create. We're going to window select the part that we have in here. Now here in this window is where I can select the type of quality that I want for all of my features. Whether it's internal, external, I can make them different finishes, different qualities. So I'm going to set them both to fine and simply hit OK. So there's step 1, we have our part. Step 2 is going to be putting a contour on the part. So I'm going to hit contour. This is where we're going to select what type of lead in and lead out, what type of pierce that we want. Again, we're just going to window select over the part, and there's our tool path. Step number 3 is going to be putting the order on which the machine is going to cut these features. Again, window select, click enter. Here's where you can see the finish quality on each one of the features that we're making. That step is now done. And the final step, which is labeled step 4, is creating the process or creating the G-code that's going to be put into the machine to make the part. We're going to hit process, hit OK, save our program, and now we're ready to run our part. If you want to learn more about the FlexJet, go to flexmachinetools.com or follow us here on our socials.